My motivation for being here today is to acknowledge two of our longest serving employees. I'm going to start initially from the bottom up. And so, Nichol, if you want to come forward, 10 years, what a great effort. So we talk about a 10-year level of service is just outstanding and sets the bar and really sets something for people to achieve. But 30 years to me is just super impressive and awesome for me. But what impresses me the most is about not only the time spent here, but a number of years ago, many years ago, you moved away from this area and you continue to travel here. So that's for you there. And can you just leave an envelope here for you, right? You're going to be given a new company car to drive. So this is your new company car. All right.